Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can cash on delivery on AliExpress. So in order to do this, first of all, you have to log into your AliExpress account. When you are logged in, select the product that you wish to purchase. So I'm going to select this one here, the random product. Now let's go with this one. I'm just going to select the following item. Now you can just go ahead and explore the product detail page. While you are on that page, you can just go ahead and tap on this buy button. Buy now, you can simply add it to your cart as soon as you click on buy now button. It's going to direct you to the place where you can order or where you can place an order. As you can see in my keys right over here, there is no such option as cash on delivery, that you need to locate the items or particular seller that is actually enable cash on delivery. For this particular product, there is no such option to cash on delivery. So all you need to do is just go through all of these and then click on this place order button. As you can see here, when you do that, you will be able to do cash on delivery on AliExpress. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.